kingbird is a medium-sized songbird with a large head, upright posture, square-tipped tail, and a relatively short, straight bill. They are blackish-gray above and white below. The head is a darker black than the wings and back, and the black tail has a notable white tip. They are often found in open habitats such as backyards, pastures, and grasslands, perched up in trees or along electric lines or fences. Gray kingbirds are visual hunters, flying quickly and directly from their perches to snatch flying prey. They eat bees, wasps, ants, beetles, crickets, bugs, and flies, and will swallow them down whole.